we are back with another amazing Excel tutorial on our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing 3 methods to password protect your workbook or worksheet. This password protection is required whenever you're sharing your file with other users. So, we will discuss how you can protect your data discuss all 3 methods to password protect your worksheet or workbook, and I have listed all of them here. So in method 1, whenever you share your file with other users, they would be unable to open your file if they do not have the password. This password would be set by you. In method 2, other users would be able to open your Excel file, however, the file would be read-only. They would not be able to make any changes to your file. If they want to make any changes, they have to make a copy of your file and make changes to that particular file. Your file would be read-only. In method 3, whenever you share your file with other users, they would be able to open the file, make changes to certain cells that you would allow, and they would not be able to make changes to other restricted cells. These cells, whether you want to allow them to make changes or not, would be set by you. You would be password protecting your worksheet. So, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Adab and hello friends. My name is Surjit and you're watching your own YouTube channel Universal Pahaji. Let's start today's Excel tutorial video. We will learn all these 3 methods one by one. Trust me guys, all 3 methods are very easy if you use the instructions provided in this video. So let's discuss our method 1, wherein other users would not be able to open the file if they do not have the password with them. So how to set password to your file? So this is a particular book or workbook, you can say, wherein I want to apply a password. So simply what you need to do, you need to click on File, click on Save As. Here click on Browse to the location where you want to save the file. Provide the name. I will be providing password protected. Okay, here you need to pay attention to this particular word that says tools. So you click on tools, click on general options. Here you can see it's asking that whenever you are sharing a file, what is the password that you want to open and what is the password that you want to modify. Okay, so these passwords are required for another user to open or to modify a file. Let me provide the password as 123. Keep it simple. Here I provided password again 123. So you can provide same password or different password to open or to modify as per your requirement. Click on OK. I have to provide the password again to confirm 123. Another confirmation for modifying the file 123. Click on OK and now I click on Save. So this particular file is password protected now. You can see it's saved here. Let me close this file. Now let me open this file. This is the file. This is the file. Let me open it. Once I click on this file, see, this particular file is asking me to provide the password. If I provide any incorrect password, it will not open the file and it will say that the password supplied is incorrect. Okay, I have to open it again. Password protected. I apply the correct password this time 123. Click on OK. Now again I have to provide another password to modify 123. I click on OK and bingo, the file is open now. So this is the first method wherein you provide password to your workbook so that another user would not be able to open the file unless they have the password that was set by you. Let's discuss method 2, in which other users would be able to open your Excel file. However, the file would be read only. They would not be able to make any changes to your file. So this is a workbook that you would be sharing. Example. Okay, so now to make it read only file, what you need to do, you need to follow the same procedure, or you need to follow the same steps as earlier. Click on file, save as, browse. Here again pay attention to this tools word that is written here. Click on general options. Here what you have to do, just click on password to modify and apply the password as 123 or any password that you would like. I am just keeping it simple by providing it 123. Here you can see the checkbox that says read only recommended. So I just check it, I click on it, and now I clicked on OK. It's again asking me the password to re-verify. I'm providing the password again 123, clicking on OK, and now I would be saving this file. As there is another file already available, I want to replace it. Yes, I want to. So this file is now password protected, as you can see. However, this one is read only file. So let me show you how it's helpful. So this is the file that I saved a minute ago. Once I click on it, see, I'm getting a prompt that I want to provide the password to make any changes to the file, or I want to keep it as read only. So once I click on read only, the file will be opened as read only. Even if I provide this 123 password, giving me a message that this particular file is password protected as read only, and you want to keep it as read only. So I click on yes. So here, as you can see, it's the same file that we saved. However, one thing, if I click on save, see, this is giving me a warning that you cannot make changes to this particular file because this file is read only. And if you want to save this file to make any changes to it, you need to create a new name file. You have to use save as option. Okay, so here if I'm saving, see, it's saying copy of password protected. So your main file will always remain intact as you made it read only. So no one would be able to make changes to that particular file. So this kind of file is required when you are sharing your file or when you are saving your file via shared drive, wherein everyone is accessing it. So what they can do, they can open the file, they can fetch data from a file. However, they are unable to make any changes to the main file because that is your database, that is your data that you do not want to change. Finally, let's discuss the method 3, in which other users would be able to open your file, the Excel file. They would be able to make changes to certain cells that you would allow, and would not be able to make changes to the restricted cells. So let's see how we have to apply these changes. So for example, this is a worksheet wherein I want to apply all those required things. So what I want, that anyone can change this particular heading. Okay, however, no one should be allowed to make changes to whatever is written in these columns and cells, method 1, 2 and 3. So the very thing first, step 1, you need to select all the rows and all the columns by clicking on this triangle sign that is coming here. Okay, so the complete worksheet is selected. Now you need to right click, select format cells. Here in protection, you need to uncheck everything. You need to uncheck locked and you need to uncheck hidden. Okay, so this is very important. Click on OK. Now the complete sheet is unlocked. Now I want to lock cells as per my requirement. So what I will do, I will select these cells wherein I do not want to make any changes, I will make right click, format cells. Here now I have to select logged and click on OK. So 50% of the work is done, wherein these cells or these columns are the only one wherein I have applied logged cell restriction. Okay, now to make it or to implement it, what I need to do, I need to right click here on sheet 1, click on protect sheet. Here I have to provide the password. Okay, so again I'm providing it simple password 123. So here are so many options available which you can allow others users to perform on this particular sheet. If you want to get information regarding all these options available here, what you can do, you can download this file which I'm saving it on my Google Drive. So what you can do, you can download this file, you can view this protect sheet. I will show it later on. So I applied 123 password, click on OK. I applied 123, I clicked on OK again. Now let me show you one thing. See here, I did not provide any kind of restriction. So what I can do, I can delete anything, right? I can do anything in that particular cell. However, in this particular cell, see, if I'm making any changes, Excel is saying me that this particular cell or this particular row is password protected. I cannot make any changes to it. Okay, I can make changes anywhere. See, however, I cannot write anything here. I cannot edit it here. Even here I cannot edit it because these cells are password protected as per my information, as per the password protection that I have applied to this particular worksheet. Okay, so I would like to show you one more option here for this particular protection. So right now if I right click on this cell, you can see that I cannot select format cells. Reason being, this sheet is protected. Okay, so what I will do, I will right click here, unprotect sheet, provide the password 123 and click on OK. Okay, so what I want to show you is that I want to show you the hidden option or hidden setting that was available. Okay, so right now what you can see, that while I'm on this particular cell, I can see in function bar that universal Paji word is coming, right? So what I will do, I will right click on it, I will format cell, I will log this particular cell. Along with this, I will select this hidden option. Okay, I click on OK. Now as mentioned earlier, you need to right click on here, protect sheet, provide the password 123. Okay, 123. Okay, so as you can see now, once I select this particular cell, I cannot see here in function bar that what exactly is written, right? So this particular option is very helpful when you are using any kind of formula, so that the other user would not be able to see the formula or would not be able to see the what exactly is written in this particular cell. Similarly, if I click here, I can see because this particular cell is protected. However, I did not select the hidden option, so I can see here what exactly is written, right? If any formula was written here, I could have seen it here. However, I cannot change it. See, similarly, I cannot change anything here because this particular cell is protected. I was talking about this protect sheet. Here I have documented all the options that are available when you are making any sheet protective. Okay, so all these options here, select locked cell, select unlocked cells, the complete list I have mentioned here, that what exactly the other user would be able to do when you are protecting sheet using this particular option. Okay, so what you can do, you can download this particular password protected sheet from the link in the description below. You can go through, all the options available and lock your sheet as per your requirement. So you can use any one of the method, you can combine two methods, or you can combine all three methods to give strength to your password protection to any workbook or any worksheet. So pretty much from my side, I hope you have enjoyed this video, you learned new things today, and I request you to please click on like button so that you know we feel good, and please do subscribe to our channel if you're coming here for the first time, because it motivates us to bring more and more content like this, more and more Excel tutorials for you guys out there. So let's meet in our next video. Till then, take care, God bless you, bye bye.